We understand that times are hard, and we understand that right now people are in financial need with bad credit. So let us help you. Aren't you tired of people telling you that they can repair your credit or offer you a CPN number that does not work? Or maybe they provide you trade lines that never post. We can help with everything. Contact us. We have been in this business for over 15 years with CPN brokers, agents that are a part of our team. So why not become part of our team and put some extra money in your pocket? Oh, let's just build your credit. We do it all. And we also teach you how to develop your own CPN numbers. Contact us 504 408 5088, Tuesday through Friday, 9 a.m. to 4 p.m. Or visit us on our website for your convenience. Let us build that credit for you. Become part of our team.